In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting on Microsoft Teams using a meeting ID. This process is straightforward and will ensure you can effortlessly join any meetings you're invited to. Let's dive into how you can do it. First, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Teams. If you're not already familiar, Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration platform that brings together chat, video conferencing, file storage, and application integration. To get started, open up your web browser and simply type in the URL or click the Teams icon if you have the application installed on your device. Once you're on the Teams platform, you'll notice an array of features designed to make connecting with your colleagues seamless and efficient. Now, once you're in Microsoft Teams, let's move to the Meet section. This is your gateway to connecting via video, audio, and screen sharing. You'll want to click on Meet, which usually is prominently displayed on the sidebar or somewhere on the main screen depending on your layout. Here you'll find options to create or join meetings. Within the Meet area, there's an option called Join with a Meeting ID. This is particularly useful if you have been invited to a meeting and need to join using a specific ID. When you click on this, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID. This ID might have been shared with you via email, calendar invite, or a chat message. Make sure to have the ID handy. Next, input the meeting ID in the given field. This is a straightforward process. Ensure that you enter the ID exactly as it appears to avoid any errors. Once entered correctly, your connection will be facilitated, bringing you directly to the meeting. And that's it. Once you've entered the ID, just hit join and you should be all set. You're now in the meeting, ready to participate or observe as needed. If asked by Teams, ensure your microphone and camera settings are adjusted according to your preferences before clicking to fully join the meeting space. Joining a meeting on Microsoft Teams with a meeting ID is incredibly simple once you know the steps. It's important to be both efficient and prepared, especially as remote work and digital meetings become more prevalent. Keep these steps in mind and you'll never miss a meeting again. Remember, having the right meeting ID is crucial, so double check before joining. That's all there is to it. With these steps, joining any meeting in Microsoft Teams via a meeting ID becomes a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.